Friends, have you ever thought about how a prime minister is a motivational speaker or someone else, speaking to a crowd of millions? How he memorized his speech and his words. Even though we are nervous while speaking in front of some children in our class, our legs are trembling. All this is due to your lack of confidence. If you also lack confidence and are afraid to talk between 2 or 4 people, then by following these steps you can get rid of this problem. Number 1. Start practicing. When you join a program, you should practice your topic well for a few days before attempting the program, so that you don't forget your subject on stage. If you go on stage without practicing, you may forget your subject. Due to this, your confidence will be weak, you will be nervous, and you will feel fear. But with practice, you will be able to speak perfectly. Number 2. Must go for short programs. Guys, you must have noticed that firstly the train speed is very low, which gradually increases later. It is impossible for a train to speed up suddenly. Similarly, you should also talk to between 5 and then 10 people. Likewise, take part in smaller events to expand your practice, where there are very few people. This way your confidence will gradually increase and later you will be able to speak to a crowd of millions. Number 3. Choice of positive and impactful words. When something unethical comes out of the speaker's tongue, one is definitely nervous, which causes a decrease in his confidence. You should also keep your thoughts positive and strong. Use impactful words in your speech instead of talking nonsense, which causes a decrease in your confidence, because people are only considering your words. This means that the words that come out of your mouth are controlling the people in front of you. So make your words strong to boost and maintain your confidence. Number 4. Speak in a low voice. Generally you must have noticed that people who speak in a loud voice do not sound good at all. On the contrary, the heart wants to listen to the one who speaks slowly and softly. You should also follow this method. Keep your voice low during your speech. This way your confidence will be restored and your confidence will increase. If you give your speech with more energy and passion, your breathing will start to quicken, from which you cannot speak for a long time, which will automatically decrease your confidence. Self-confidence. If you don't have self-confidence, you can't do anything. People afraid to go for small programs can never build their confidence. So have faith in yourself. You will surely increase your confidence one day, because the first step to success is failure.